From the moment the Chevelle SS46420226 burst onto the scene, critics and enthusiasts alike have hailed it as one of the most exciting muscle car revivals in decades. The Chevelle nameplate has long been synonymous with raw American performance and bold design, and the 2026 Chevelle SS464 picks up right where its predecessors left off, blending classic muscle car ethos with modern engineering, technology, and attitude. In this video, we explore every aspect of this powerful icon reborn. Its design, performance, interior, and why it's poised to stand out in a segment packed with high-performance contenders. At its core, the Chevelle S464 2026 is about power. Under the hood lies a massive, hand-built 6.4-liter V8 engine, a displacement that immediately commands respect. This big block powerhouse produces an estimated 650 horsepower and an astonishing 650 pounds-ft of torque. Figures that place it in elite company among contemporary muscle cars. Those numbers translate to blistering acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times dropping into the low threes, depending on traction and conditions. This is visceral American muscle with numbers that rival supercars, yet it retains the raw character that made the original Chevelle's legends. More than just straight-line speed, the engine has been engineered to deliver smooth, predictable power across the entire rev range. From cruising comfortably on the highway to planting your foot at a traffic light, the SS464's broad torque curve ensures a deeply satisfying throttle response no matter the speed. The 5-speed automatic transmission has been calibrated to handle this. Immense output with quick shifts and solid reliability, making it both an exhilarating and engaging drive. The exterior design of the 2026 Chevelle SS464 honors its heritage while embracing a modern performance aesthetic. Its long hood, aggressive front grille, and muscular wheel arches are unmistakably inspired by the classic Chevelle SS. Yet the details reveal contemporary design philosophy. Sharp LED headlights and taillights integrate seamlessly into the sculpted body, conveying both nostalgia and forward movement. Wide performance tires fill the arches, and available 20-inch forged aluminum wheels complete the look with purpose. Every angle of the SS464 communicates strength and readiness. This is a car built to dominate the road. Aerodynamics play a defined role in the Chevelle's S464's design. Carefully sculpted front air dams, high-flow cooling inlets, and rear diffusers help manage airflow, improve stability at high speed, and optimize brake cooling. These elements aren't just for show. They contribute directly to performance and drivability, especially at elevated speeds where stability and cooling are critical. Inside, the 2026 Chevelle SS464 offers a driver-focused cabin that delivers both comfort and control. Premium leather seats with bolstered support ensure confidence during spirited driving, while contrasting stitching and available custom trim options provide a touch of luxury that sets this muscle car apart. The instrument panel is clear and purposeful, with analog tachometers and speedometers blending classic styling with modern precision. A large central display houses the infotainment system, offering navigation, media, and connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Performance metrics are also displayed in real time, allowing drivers to monitor torque, horsepower delivery, steering angle, G-force, and more. This level of feedback deepens the connection between car and driver, turning each journey into a performance-oriented experience. Whether testing acceleration on a back road or enjoying a long highway cruise, the SS464's interior keeps the driver informed and engaged. But luxury and technology don't overshadow safety. The 2026 Chevelle SS464 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, forward collision alert, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. These features bring a modern layer of protection to a car that's otherwise focused on performance, ensuring that everyday driving and long trips are as safe as they are thrilling. Handling and ride quality have been engineered to complement the SS464's brute power. An adaptive suspension system adjusts stiffness in real time, offering a smoother ride at low speeds and firm control when pushing the car toward its limits. Combined with high-performance brakes and wide tires, the chassis provides confidence-inspiring grip and responsiveness. Steering is direct and communicative, giving the driver a sense of control that few muscle cars can match. One of the defining traits of the 2026 Chevelle SS464 is its exhaust note. Deep, throaty, and unapologetically muscular, its sound resonates with every throttle application. At idle, the engine rumbles with presence. At full throttle, the roar draws attention and admiration from enthusiasts near and far. This soundtrack is more than just noise. It's a deliberate expression of the car's character, reminding the driver and onlookers alike that this is a vehicle with purpose. Behind the scenes, Nissan's advanced cooling systems, reinforced chassis components, and performance-tuned electronics all contribute to the SS464's dynamic capabilities. These engineering upgrades support sustained performance under demanding conditions. Whether it's track work, canyon carving, or spirited canyon cruises, production of the 2026 Chevelle SS464 is limited, adding an aura of exclusivity to each unit. Collectors and enthusiasts alike will likely seek out this model not only for its performance but also for its connection to automotive heritage. With customizable paint finishes, interior trims, and performance packages, buyers can tailor their SS464 to reflect personal taste while amplifying performance, style, or both. In a landscape filled with high-performance vehicles, the 2026 Chevelle SS464 stands out by offering a rare blend of classic muscle car spirit and modern engineering excellence. It's a car that honors its legacy while pushing forward with impressive capability, contemporary technology, and a truly unforgettable driving experience. Whether you're a lifelong fan of muscle cars or performance enthusiast seeking something extraordinary, the 2026 Chevelle SS464 is a machine that demands attention, respect, and exhilaration. It's not just a car, it's a celebration of what happens when passion and precision collide. In essence, this modern Chevelle carries the torch of its ancestors into a new era, proving that muscle can be both timeless and thrillingly relevant. From its thunderous V8 power to its refined interior and advanced safety features, the 2026 Chevelle SS464 is a comprehensive tribute to performance, heritage, and the pure joy of driving.